Yeah, they are.
Okay, what are those?
We're gonna pick them up.
Pick them up and tell me what it is.
You wasted your time cutting out Eve.
It's not a waste of
What the heck?
Morgan. Why should I? Well, alright.
You don't have to have one, I guess.
I was already frustrated. It smells like brownies though. Is there
We just spray the paper with brownie flavored smell. Okay, there's brownies in there. We sprayed the paper on.